What's going on, YouTube? So, all right, we're gonna get into a new video for you guys, and I want to do some frequently asked questions about Forex. A lot of people have questions about Forex, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just put all the questions out here on one video, so you can check out the video to get everything answered, because I can't keep answering the same questions over and over and over again. I have a team to attend to, and I want to make sure I build them. So I'm just gonna start doing videos so I can just send it to people and you guys can get the information. So, and this is gonna be the real, the raw and uncut. It's not gonna be like a sales pitch. I'm gonna let you know what's really happening within the business. So I just wrote down a couple questions and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So first question, what is Forex? All right, so Forex is the foreign exchange market. What is a foreign exchange market? Foreign exchange market is basically the market where different currency pairs go up and down and you're exchanging your currency. And sometimes when you exchange your currency, you get a little bit more back or a little bit less back. For example, if you ever traveled out of the country, if you've been to Mexico, Canada, Europe, wherever, you have to exchange your currency. And just so you know, if you don't already know, currency rates change. Like the US dollar goes up and down all the time. The peso goes up and down all the time. The Canadian dollar up and down all the time. So if you decide to travel somewhere, it's going to be different rates. So let's just say, for example, I go to Canada and I go to Canada with $100 and they give me, let's say, in exchange, $110 in Canadian dollars. So let's just say I don't spend that at all and I come back to America and now I get 105 back in American dollars. Well, I made $5. So how is that possible? It's because the currency shift between the Canadian dollar and the American dollar either went up or down, and it was a shift in the actual money. So you can either make money or lose money. Now in the foreign exchange market, this is what we do. We literally are buying and selling different currency pairs, and when they fluctuate, the market goes up and the markets go down, and we can either buy or sell and make money either way. A lot of people ask like, can you make money in a recession, or can you make money with the coronavirus pandemic? Yes, you can actually make more money because the market is shifting more to the downside. And with us being traders and going through the classes and learning everything, we know how to take advantage of the drop in the market. If the stock market crashed today, guess what? Forex traders are getting rich. So that's Forex in a nutshell. It's just currency pairs, it's the exchange of different currencies, it's the fluctuation, and it's the fact that you can get paid off of buying and selling different currency pairs based off them going up or down. Boom. That's Forex in a nutshell. Is this stocks? No, this is not the stock market. The stock market is different because it's catered to companies. It's catered to companies and it's catered to investing in companies, and your income from that, the income from stocks, is based off of how the company performs. Your income from Forex is based off of the shift in the currency pairs. So basically, if you know how to read the market, you can make unlimited money with Forex. You can learn how to read the market with stocks, but it's primarily based on the performance of the company. And if the company shuts down, like for example, it was something that happened with Starbucks a couple years ago where like somebody had a complaint and it was like a claim that one of the baristas was being racist or something, and then the market dropped tremendously and a lot of people lost money and it was out of their control. And that's something that they couldn't predict as well. So personally, I used to use Robinhood and Stash for stocks. But once I found out about Forex, I got out of it fast just because it wasn't that it wasn't working for me. It was just Forex just made a lot more money a lot faster for me. So that's the difference for me. So it's not stocks, but also you can trade stocks in Forex. S&P 500, US 30, a lot of the top companies. It's not 100% of every single stock, like not the smaller stocks, but the larger stocks you can trade. But honestly, I don't know too many people that trade stocks. Like actual companies. I know we all trade S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in the United States, and US 30. But like regular like companies, I don't really know anybody that does. Maybe somebody does. I don't know. Nobody on my team does. So, but that's the difference between stocks and actual Forex. And also, Forex is, I believe, a $6.6 trillion market a day, and that's a lot more. I forget the statistics on actual stocks, but you can look it up. Like, it's way more money flowing through the Forex market. All right, next question. This is the most popular question. Is it a scam? So the reason why I feel like people think these things are a scam are because we get paid for building teams, right? We get paid to trade, of course. That's the primary thing, but we also get paid to build teams. So when people build teams, sometimes sometimes they exaggerate on the results, and then sometimes people don't get those results. Or sometimes the mentors, the coaches, the business partners, whatever you want to call them, don't lead their person to success. So they'll get into the business and fail. So they instantly like, oh, it was a scam. But just to let you know, there's nothing scammy about it. There's nothing dishonest about it. It's literally trading currency. Like, that's it. Like, this is something anybody can do. And there is a team aspect to it, to where, like I said, we get paid to build a team, but you also have the opportunity to build a team as well. So the same opportunities I have is the same opportunities you have. So it's really nothing scammy about it. Like, it's just most people just don't understand how multi-level marketing works or network marketing works. And they say pyramid, but really, what do you know about a pyramid scheme? What real pyramid scheme have you ever come across? And pyramid schemes are also illegal as well. Now, is it a pyramid structure? Yes. But if you really think about it, every financial structure is a pyramid structure. You have somebody at the top who delegates to other people, other leaders, and they delegate to other leaders. And at the bottom, you got the workers. Like, that's how the world works. Like, every financial structure is a pyramid. Like, even if you have your own business, I encourage you to turn your business into a pyramid. You know what I'm saying? I encourage you to pay for referrals to bring people into your business, because it works. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a strategy of success. So when people say pyramid scheme, I'll be kind of like, man, y'all don't even know what's going on in the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you really know how money works, if you know how money works, you will want to be in a pyramid. You know what I'm saying? And the dope thing about this pyramid is the people on top actually teach everybody on the bottom, because it's the people on top is their best interest for the people at the bottom to win, because it helps them level up as well. You know what I'm saying? Like, in this multi-level marketing operation, everybody wins from top to bottom. So like me, for instance, like, I'm not on top, but I am higher than some people. My rank is P600. That's $600 a month in residual income. And some people only making $150 a month in residual income. And some people are not making no income. And to a certain extent, I'm on top of a pyramid, but it's my duty to make sure those people who don't have a residual income get it. Like, literally, it's like my job to make sure I put them on and make sure they get to where I'm at or higher. So is it a scam? It's not. Like, it's crazy because nothing's scammy about it. Like, do you have to pay for it? Yes, it's an investment. Like, come on. Like, y'all think y'all just gonna get all this knowledge for free and get rich for free? Like, people go to school and spend 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000 and don't even get a job. Is that a scam? Like, that's more of a scam than this. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. You know, it's my opinion. All right, next question. Do I need to join a team? Do you need to join a team to trade Forex? No, you do not. You do not need a team to trade Forex. You can download MetaTrader 4 right now. You can go to hugosway.com right now and sign up as a broker. You can put money into Hugo's Way and transfer it to MetaTrader 4 and start trading today without a team. But I do want to let you know, you're going to lose your money. Just keep it 100. You don't know what you're doing. You're going to go in there and the Forex market is going to eat you alive. You know what I'm saying? You might get a lucky win here or there, but you're going to lose your money. The whole purpose of the team is to make sure you have guidance and support, and make sure you have some type of education system to like learn like what the hell you doing. You know what I'm saying? So you don't need a team, but it's in your best interest to get a team. It's in your best interest to, get on my team, because I'm gonna make sure you win. I'm guaranteeing you wins. Everybody on my team is winning. If they're not winning, it's because they're not listening. So to answer the question, do you need a team? No, you don't need a team. You do need a team in a sense of making everything easier, saving yourself time, energy, and money. You can go to YouTube route, and it's a lot of valuable information on YouTube, but YouTube will have you lost in the sauce. I tried the YouTube route, and it's so many different strategies you can use and so many different angles you can hit with this Forex thing. It just be in your best interest to get in an organized system. A system is where it's at, you know what I'm saying? Get an organized system, get the education, get the resources, be in a network of traders that are going along this journey with you, so you won't be by yourself, and you got all of these resources to reach out for trade ideas, for help, for assistance, for motivation, and just to level yourself up in general. All right, how much are the classes? All right, so to start, it's $235 to start, and then it's $175 monthly after that. You have your initial fee of $235, and then monthly you will pay $175. Now, you do have the option to get that waived if you decide to team build. If you bring in 2 people in the business, then your fees get waived. So you won't have to worry about paying it once you get 2 people in. Now, I want to say this on here so it won't be any confusion. Once you hit P150, P150 is a rank where you get 3 people into your organization. You get paid $150 a month. Also, you have to convert to what is called an IBO, an independent business owner. When you become an independent business owner, you do have to pay your $175 all over again. I don't know, this is me being real with y'all, I don't know the complete logistics of the technicalities behind the fine print and all that. I just know my mentor, Rhonda, she told me that when you get to this point, in order for the company to pay you, you actually have to be a business owner with the company for tax purposes, for business purposes. I don't know all of the bells and whistles of the details, but I didn't mind because it made sense. Like if you want to get paid for the company, you have to be a business owner within the company. So that part makes sense. Even deeper, I'm gonna kind of segue a little bit. I don't completely know how the Forex market works. Like I don't know the complete fine details of why a currency pair goes up and down, and how the economy affects this to where this goes up and this compares to that and that goes down. Like I don't know those finite details. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, but I don't need to know. What I do need to know is when I press buy and it goes up, I make money. When I press sell and it goes down, I make money. So a lot of these things, I'll be completely honest with you, I don't know the complete super intricate details. Nobody does, because it doesn't matter. Now, if you want to be like a Forex geek and figure it out, cool. You know, maybe you can teach me, but I pay attention to what I need to pay attention to. You know what I'm saying? And so far I've been making money, and yeah, I don't know like a lot of details about some things. Like I know a lot of details about what I need to know details about, but that's a whole nother story. So what's next? How long does it take to learn? So I feel like I got a good grasp on Forex about 3 months. I finished my classes in about 2 months. I feel like about the 3rd month, I kind of got a good grasp on it. But just to let you know, this is going to be a lifelong journey of learning. You know what I'm saying? You can get the gist of it in a couple months for sure. And then you get to the point where you can start, making some money. You can use the tools and copy and paste and get to some profits. Our team drops like literally signals in our team chat. Like if one of the good traders in our group will say, hey, you know what, gold is going to go up, and they'll put a signal in there and be like, hey, all right, cool, we copy and paste, and you know what I'm saying, everybody make money together. But ultimately, initially, to get out of that lost phase, I'll say about 2 or 3 months. First month, you're going to be lost. Second month, you're going to be lost. So be mentally prepared. I'm actually glad I'm making this video. If you're watching this, you're going to be lost. Don't get discouraged. Give yourself a 3-month commitment. A 3-month commitment to actually learning this. And if you think about it, some people go to school for 3 and 4 years and commit for 3 and 4 years and commit financially, commit spiritually, commit everything. You know what I'm saying? And they get out of college, and unfortunately, some people don't get nothing out of that situation. I'm asking you for 3 months of dedication of some studying, some networking, some positive energy, some self-growth and development. I guarantee you, you will get results with this business. I guarantee that's my word. What's next? How much do I need to invest? A lot of people ask that question. How much do I need to invest? I'm always going to say for starters, start with $100. I believe the minimum to transfer in is like 50. I know like the minimum from like Bitcoin to Hugo's Way to transfer money in is like $50. But yeah, start with $100, my trading plan that I try to implement with my team is start with $100 and try to increase your account 5% a day. That's only $5. You know what I'm saying? And then continue to compound your account as you get comfortable with your trading style and continue to build. If you do the math on that, 5% a day, every day, starting with $100 will get you to about $200,000 a month. A year, a month. Ooh, I wish. But yeah, so that's what I try to, implement for my team. What else? I think that's it. Let me see if I got anything else for y'all. Yeah, I think those are the most popular questions that I get. Oh, how do I start? That's the most important question. You can check out the link in my bio, or the link in my description. I'll go ahead and put it in there. You can contact me on Instagram at Mercer Millions, MERCER Millions, and we can chat on there. yeah, and then I'll have my link there. I'll have my link here. If you have more detailed questions, I guess, or if you just want to get to know me a little better so you can feel comfortable moving forward, feel free to DM me. My email will be below as well. Every way to contact me is going to be here. So just reach out, and if you want to get started, we can get you started. So that's it. That's frequently asked questions with Forex. Hopefully this helped you out. When people have questions, I'm just going to go ahead and send you guys this video. Oh, one last thing. I started something called the Karma Jar Challenge, where people donate to the Karma Jar, and the Karma Jar is in my Cash App. And what I do is I get those funds, I add my own funds to it, and I send it back out to a winner. And that's been going really good. You can check that on my Instagram at Mercer Millions. I got plenty of videos and information on it. I'll actually link the Karma Jar video here so you can get the full understanding. But I'm gonna start something else new, and I'm actually just enjoying giving out money because I am manifesting abundance right now. And I'm actually I'm doing the best I've ever have financially ever, and it feels good. And I enjoy giving away money. Like, it's fun. Like, I like helping people. I like giving people that light and that energy, that good karma. So what I'm gonna do for the people that are watching this video all the way to the end, you got the benefit. The benefit is I'm going to start giving away cash to people that comment on my my YouTube. I might do it for Facebook too, my YouTube. So if you comment on this video, make sure you just put your Cash App. You can comment anything. You know, if you feel like I gave you some value, if you're just looking to win some cash, you know what I'm saying, whatever, just drop a comment below. Drop a comment, and make sure you put your Cash App. And I'm going to do a cash prize for every single video that I make. So somebody from that video will get cashed out via Cash App. So if you're watching this all the way to the end, drop a comment, drop your Cash App. As of right now, I'm only going to pick one winner per video. But, you know, as my abundance flows, as I grow, as I make more from the military, as I make more from trading, as I manifest more from my life, I might just start giving away more. I will start giving away more. So if you watch this to the end, you get the benefit of knowing that. And I'm going to make sure I say this on all the videos. And yeah, so drop a comment, drop your Cash App, and I'm just going to cash you out, you know, just for showing love. And just because I'm looking to circulate abundance, circulate light, circulate good energy, and just keep my abundance flow going. You know what I'm saying? Money is all about having a flow, currency, you know what I'm saying? Current, stream of income, liquidity, you know what I'm saying? It all has to do with a flow, a water. It got to move, you know what I'm saying? Your money got to move, and I'm just making my money move. So I'm making my money moves, and I'm a part of Money Moves Only. Boom, bars. Somebody from MMO gonna like that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Drop a comment, you know, like, share, subscribe, you know, and hopefully I gave you some value. I try to get some value on every single video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm on Twitter as well, Mercer Millions. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna check with y'all later, and I appreciate your time.